For the yes and no, we did half a circle with the left foot forward. Half a circle forward, place your weight on both feet, feel from the heart downwards through your pelvis into the earth. Be firmly grounded. Let go and come with a straight line back to the center. Let's do it one more time. Half a circle with the left. Firmly grounded, heart connected with the earth, but strong and upright, speaking forward. Come back to the center. Take your hands in the height of your chest and use them like planes. Not planes, yeah, and just feel a little bit to the left and right side. I come forward and I show you one thing, then you can see it better. Normally, just follow me, do it like this. We have our hands, if we want to widen our feelings in the middle realm, we have it in front, and then we open it. We have the feeling of becoming big, wide, relaxed, filled with light. And slowly we come back to the center again. And we feel how this movement also penetrates the body and still until to the feet, down to the feet. And we come back again. It's a very nice and healthy movement. And now we do it differently, that you have your hands like this, yeah? And you just feel this left and right, a two-dimensional space. Just feel into left and right. And come back to the center. And try to feel this plane. Maybe do it a little bit deeper here. And try to feel the center. Go to the left and to the right and come back. And maybe a little bit higher. Can I sense this plane? This left-right plane. And for the yes and no, it's a decision-making sort of thing which we try to execute with the legs. This left-right dimension is the dimension. So now take your hands here and try to lead the movement of the left leg through the expanding hands in the left-right plane. Expanding and half circle forward. And just let go. Expand, half a circle forward, arrive. Firmly grounded. And a third time. Firmly grounded. Let your hand sink down. Do the same thing, just without hands. Feel your chest and this space towards the left and right. Move your legs through expansion in your center towards left and right. Expand and move your legs. Arrive. Back. Expand, move your legs. Arrive. Expand, move your legs. Arrive. Let your breath react. Now we do it 4 more times, and now we add that we feel this plane we are standing in, and after we have done the movement forward, we feel that we are in front of this plane. In a way, we take the plane with us, but on the other hand, the plane stays where it is. Yes. Feel how is it to be in front. Back. Yes. Yes. Back. And please do it with your left leg. Yes. And back. And let your breath react. So this exercise normally is done 10 times yes, 10 times no, and 10 times yes, no. So we do 10 times no now with the same order of additional aspects. We use our hands to activate the left-right zone, and lead our legs, the right leg half a circle backward. Expand, arrive. Expand, arrive. Expand, arrive. Do the same without using your hand, but the activity in the expansion is the same. Expand, arrive. Back to the center. Arrive. And again, arrive. And now we do it 4 times with the experience of now I'm behind. I'm not withdrawing, I'm speaking strongly forward. My heart clearly says no. I don't do that, yeah, for example. Leave it, it's dangerous. But we step back. No. No. How is it to be behind? Feel the left-right dimension. No. And the 4th time. No. And now we do it 10 times. And now you can focus on, I'm doing something here which leads my legs. And I'm doing something which leads my legs, which creates something in here. So when we do the movement forwards, backwards, we have something in the middle realm which we create and something else which comes into existence. And just observe this communication which is now taking place and observe how you are in front, in back, front and behind again. 10 times and we become quicker. Slowly, but quicker. And we become slowly quicker. Left, right. Yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes. And no. And yes and no, 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 and yes. How is it to be in front? And no. Let your breath react. Feel your legs. Feel your heart. Feel your lungs. Feel your uprightness. And again, your legs. Take 1 minute just to let go, and then we go into the sympathy and antipathy. How does it feel now? Do you feel warm, cold, exhausted, enlivened, richer, tireder? Everything is possible, everything is okay.